Can I go? Can I go over here?
Yeah.
No, but you have to go over here.
It's okay. He can sit next to you. You can show him the letters right there.
I say K. I can't.
You two did. You say,
Yeah.
excuse me.
And me.
Okay.
I say K.
Easton, look. Taylor's teaching you now.
K. Say D. D. What do you say? C. C.
Tell him what sound it makes, too. Okay, Taylor?
D. We're doing them at the end.
Okay.
Say H. H. B. And I'm getting all them. Say B. P. P. J. J. I. I. T. Oh no. Have this. No. Stop grabbing.
Easton, when you cough, cover your mouth like that. Okay?
I have in my hand.
Okay.
I try to drink your juice. Say T. Say T. T. When you say R. R. Say R. B. D. B. B. And J. Say J. Say J. Lots of it. Now let's teach you the sounds we make. Ah! I'm teaching all the sounds you like. Ah! I know, don't grab those.
I think he's helping you put him up, honey.
They're all my work to do. Now, buddy, I'm going to teach you the sounds you make. It says k, 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 k. And it says t, t, t. Can I go out here? The box. I say t, 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 t. Good job. Now say listen on your lap. Say ba cream. Why do you say ba? Here, on me. What does the sound make?
That one's a P, honey.
You say pa. Why do you say pa? Why do you say pa?
See? Say pa.
No, it says k, 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 k. Say k, k, k.
You say ka, ka.
What's that? What's that?
That's Taylor. Say ka.